The Adelaide Coroner's Court has heard a hospital doctor signed a form not to detain a suicidal man before he had even seen the patient. The inquest has heard the man, who had lost his family in a bushfire, killed himself shortly after being discharged.
Jared Kay is still looking for answers about his brother's suicide and hopes this week's inquest will tell him. 38-year-old Damien Kay took his life in September 2010. He had lost his wife and 2 children in the devastating bushfires near Port Lincoln in 2005 and developed severe depression.
I think the path that he chose was there and was always going to be there. I think he also knew the system, being through what he went through with the Port Lincoln fires. So hopefully, if nothing else, that this can be prevented for other people.
The inquest heard shortly before his death. Mr Kay's relationship with his new partner broke down and he left her a suicide note. Constable Nathan Durant was one of 2 officers who detained Mr Kay under the Mental Health Act and took him to the Lyle McEwen Hospital to be assessed. He told the court that after waiting more than an hour, Dr T. Nguyen signed a mental health form not to further detain Mr Kay before he had even seen the patient. I felt uneasy about the fact the decision was made without any communications. Constable Durant said he raised his concerns with Dr Nguyen, who then had a 5-minute consultation with Mr Kay. Both police officers told the court they thought Mr Kay would end his own life when released from hospital, but felt there was nothing more they could do to get him the help he needed. The next day, Mr Kay checked into the Oaks Horizon Hotel on North Terrace and committed suicide. Dr Nguyen is due to give evidence tomorrow. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.